John Deere combine with the bean header on it. We're gonna start combining this 80 acres of beans. My dad's in this pickup here with his hazards on to block traffic, because obviously we have the big 12-row head, so it picks up the entire road. But yeah, please like and subscribe if you like this video. My uncle is the driver of the combine. He is now opening up the grain tank. Then there's two switches in the combine. He'll flip the first one to get the actual combine, or like the feeder house and stuff running. Then the second switch will be to turn on the bean header. So right now you can see that he just turned on the first one, and now he just turned on the second one.
Now this is where the combine will turn around.
Because it's running in a different direction, I would have to just like find the bean header, but because I could do it going that way, but then we would have to turn around and we could adjust it for the gear.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, if he's going to cross, maybe he won't. Oh, good. It's all going that way now.
I was gonna. Okay. Stop bouncing down there.
I don't wanna.
Fine.
Hey, can you get to the top of the grain tank?
What? Top of the grain tank?
Yeah. You see all the grain coming up there?
I don't know if I would want to do that.
Alright. Like zoom in, like on the. Oh, I guess you can't see it.
Oh,
I guess you can't see it now because of.
Oh, well, I can kind of see it. I can kind of do it. Yeah, that thing looks pretty full.
Yeah, we put those extensions up there. So now when it says the grain tank is four full grain tank, we know that we can still keep going for a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, because you can kind of see your floppy part, then like at the end, like there's like it's all black, but like in the middle you can kind of see like a woven like piece. That's the original grain tank. About that little woven piece, those are the extensions.
Yeah, I can see the pile of grain up there.
But yeah, I think it's like a 400 something bushel grain tank.
Whew. And so all that stuff that was coming out at the back, that's all the stalks.
Yep, trash. Yep. I'm gonna
This
have
would be a
to.
pretty nice system. There. Alright, there's zoom back again.
Alright, I can probably stand out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think if you want to get out and or you'll be able to see that.
Should be able to.
Or you just stand out here on the step and like just like step up on here or something. Or no, I can see that. Or yeah, come outside. Yep.
Better go quickly.
Yeah, that'll work.
Combine really feels relieved. Okay. I'll cut the camera facing in its general direction. works.
Dusty, I can't really see.
That's fine. I don't know.